Hey, what's up everyone? How's it going? In the garage today, working on some knobby tires. And I discovered a pebble, something I picked up in the hand rim. You might be able to hear it. You can kind of hear it rolling around in there. Drives me crazy. All right, so there's a vent hole for the hand rim. You can see it usually by a tab here. There's one here, and then there's one again, 12 o'clock. Another vent hole. Hear that? Okay. So, Loctite. Just gonna put this right in the vent hole, just a little bit. Get the wheel flat. Okay, a little glue in the hole. Cool. Ha. Caught it. There it is. Now, no more rattle. Nice and quiet. There you go, guys. Little Loctite inside the hand rim hole.